Racing just is started with Royal Capupo moving upon the young side. Bliss, Guapo Pace in between horses. The next on Lanel Shuttle. Then next now down on the inside is Venice. Then followed now by Quick Hunter. Blush of Rose comes next. Humble Pie Racing second last. While Mapaghinala is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Bliss on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Guapo Pace in second. Royal Capupo is running by the third, and in fourth comes Venice. The next online now is Quick Hunter. El Shuttle comes next. Humble Pie second less. Blush of Rose and Mapaghinala is racing in less. And the fourth turn we have Bliss by overhead, moving upon a young series. Guapo Pace to take the lead, and in turn comes Royal Capupo. Venice, El Shuttle, Quick Hunter comes next, then followed by Blush of Rose. Then next on line is Humble Pie, while Mapaghinala is still racing in less. And as they swing to room, Guapo Pace by about 3 lengths. Bliss in second. El Shuttle moving up. Quick Hunter. Last 75 meters, we have Guapo Pace, followed by Bliss, El Shuttle, Quick Hunter. Entering the finish line, it's Guapo Pace, Quick Hunter, El Shuttle, then comes Bliss, Humble Pie.
Okay, Bayan Carvisa, para dito sa ating race number 5, ating unofficial winner. Entry number 5, that is Guapo Pace. Dito, second favorite siya para sa ating double. And diyan po inirendahan ni Nestor F. De Jesus. Masisigundo numero 2, Quick Hunter. Numero 8, El Shuttle. 9 horse, Bliss. And 1 horse, Humble Pie. Tingnan po natin ang kakatapos lang na karet.